The blade set includes 3 double-sided, high-speed steel blades. The blades will dull with use. If they strike something hard like a staple or stone, they will nick or break. Once dull or damaged, they will need to be replaced. Installing new blades is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the dust hood from the planer. I'll use the wrench that came with the planer to remove the screws. Now I have access to the first knife, and I'll remove the knife bar. It's secured with a series of screws. With all the screws removed, now remove the knife bar and the knife. The back of the wrench has a couple of magnets just for this. Now I can install the first knife. I'll lay it on a piece of wood so I can grab it with the magnet. You'll notice each knife has 2 oblong holes. Those holes align with index pins on the cutter head, and that's what holds the knife at the proper location. I'll place the knife over those pins and make sure it's centered on the cutter head side to side. Then I'll replace the locking bar. The bevel should go towards the cutting bevel on the knife. The bar also locks with those indexing pins, and I'll secure it with the screws. And I'll tighten the screws from the center out. Now I'll repeat this process on the next knife. To rotate the cutter head, there's a locking pin on the side that holds the cutter head in place. I'll push that pin down and carefully rotate the cutter head around by hand, being careful not to cut myself on the knives. With all the screws tightened, now I can reinstall the dust hood. And I'll secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new set of planer blades in your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.